The luxury SUV market used to be a playground for the old guard Range Rover, Mercedes, and BMW, but there's a new name shaking up the status quo. This is the 2026 Zeekr 9X. Zeekr has been on a tear lately, but the 9X is their most ambitious project yet. It's a full-size, all-electric flagship that promises hypercar acceleration, private jet luxury, and technology that makes a Tesla look like a flip phone. Today, we're going to find out if the 9X is truly the future of the luxury SUV or just another high-tech gadget on wheels. Visually, the Zeekr 9X is a masterclass in minimalist design. It follows the hidden energy design language, featuring a completely seamless front end with the Zeekr Stargate intelligent light bar, a 90-inch panel that can actually project messages and animations too. Pedestrians. The silhouette is incredibly aerodynamic for a car this size, achieving a drag coefficient that rivals some sports cars. With its 23-inch aerodynamic wheels, frameless windows, and integrated LiDAR sensors for advanced autonomous driving, the 9X looks like it drove straight off a sci-fi movie set. It doesn't try to look like a traditional SUV. It looks like a vision of the year 2030. Step inside, and the 9X redefines premium. The cabin is a sea of sustainable ultrasuede and recycled aluminum. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 15-inch OLED sliding screen that can move from the center to the passenger side, but the real story is in the second row. The 9X features cloud-soft zero-gravity seats that can recline, heat, cool, and provide a stone massage experience that rivals a high-end spa. There's a built-in refrigerator, a fragrance system that changes based on your mood, and a 28-speaker Yamaha surround sound system that includes speakers in the headrests for a truly immersive audio bubble. It's not just a car interior, it's a mobile sanctuary. Now, let's talk about the power. The Zeekr 9X is built on the PMA-1 platform and features a dual-motor AWD setup producing a staggering 1,020 horsepower. It will catapult you from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds. That is faster than a Lamborghini Aventador. Range anxiety, not here. Equipped with the latest kill-in battery technology, the 9X offers a range of over 800 km on a single charge. And thanks to its 800 volts ultra-fast charging architecture, you can add 500 km of range in just 15 minutes. With its intelligent air suspension and electromagnetic damping, the 9X glides over imperfections, making the road feel like silk. The 2026 Zeekr 9X is a bold statement. It proves that you don't need a century of heritage to build one of the best luxury vehicles in the world. It's fast, it's incredibly smart, and the level of luxury is simply breathtaking. For the price, it offers more tech than almost anything from Europe or America. But I want to know your thoughts. Is Zeekr a brand you'd consider over a Tesla Model X or a BMW X? Or is the 9X a bit too much tech for you? Let me know in the comments below.